Hi, so today I'm in Hartlepool and I'm gonna fly my drone, my DJI Avata one, first time in manual mode. And I've chosen this location because there aren't a lot of people here. And as you can see here, empty beach. I'm gonna fly maybe along this pier. And because there is not a lot of people on this beach, gives me a bit more flexibility to fly, so hopefully people don't bother me when I'm gonna fly my drone here. Alright, I'm gonna have a sit here, put this GoPro so you can see me, hopefully. That's it. Hopefully you can see me. Hopefully you can see me properly. I've flown it a bit. It was a bit of a struggle to fly first time in manual. But I'm gonna change the battery and try again. So to be honest, is not what I was expecting when flying the DJI Avata in manual mode. So I'll get new battery. Quite a lot of sand here. I'll put new battery on, make sure I've got 10 minutes flying time, and I'm gonna try to fly along here, along this nice pier. Switching it on. Cool, that's it. So again, I haven't flown my DJI Avata for a while, and most of the times when I was flying my DJI Avata was in normal mode. So this is my first time flying this little bird in manual mode. It is screaming, just let you know. So let's have a look. Just make sure it is recording. Nice, that's it. Cool. All ready? That's it. I'm gonna screen record that. Up. I don't know where. All right, that's it. And I'm gonna take off. Let's have a look. It's weird because I still don't have full control over them sticks. I'm gonna fly this way a bit, just because I want to see my drone. It's still not fast, you know, like in videos, or maybe I'm not flying too low. It's flying on the side for some reason. I think because of the wind. It's definitely because of the wind. So I'm gonna put my goggles on now. Yeah, it's definitely nice to fly here. So we're gonna fly now just above here. Make sure I'm not crashing the drone. Time to come back. Time to come back. That's it. disappointing that the drone is flying on this side for some reason. Alright, let's put the goggles on and do a proper FPV. That's it. That's how I want it to fly. Let's make sure I don't crash in anything. That's it. And again back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's it. Me and my wife on there. And let's do again. It's pretty cool, actually flying in manual. Ooh. And that's me there. Ooh, ooh. And I'm gonna fly again. And let's try to fly. Ooh, shit, 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 shit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, nearly crashed in there. Let's go back. I think that's because of the wind. It's flying on this side for some reason. It's really windy, so let's go back. Where's myself? That's it. I'm here. And again, that's me and my wife. It's pretty fun to fly here, to be honest. I'm kind of enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. Shoot, shoot. And again, that's me and my wife. Pretty fun. To be honest, I'm quite enjoying it. But I think because of the wind, I can't really fly here. But to be honest, I'm quite enjoying it. fly again along this pier. I've got another 50% battery, which is good. So it's telling me 10 minutes flight time. Oosh. 9 minutes. High wind velocity means it's pretty high wind, and means I'll have to bring the drone back. Ooh. And again, I'm going to fly again here. That's it. That's actually pretty fun. It's actually pretty fun to fly in manual mode. Let's see, anyone's walking. No. And again, that's me. Me. Ooh. Well, at least there's nothing to crash into here. I think I still have to practice a lot in manual mode because my skill is a bit rubbish. But I think that's it. We'll bring the drone back because I've got 7 minutes flight time and I wouldn't fly too far from here. My wife is getting really hungry. Ooh, that was a lot of sand. That was a lot of sand. How it was pretty fun to fly. My DJI Avata in manual mode. A lot of sand here. And now it's the version 1. I don't think I'll be buying another DJI drone. Well, that's because I have no time to fly my actual drone. So this one, it's doing pretty good for me. Again, I have no reason to be buying new FPV drone unless I might decide to buy a proper FPV drone. But that's it. I don't think I'll be buying another DJI FPV drone. They're good too if you want to learn like manual mode. You can buy DJI Avata 1 or 2. I'm sure you can get like pretty decent drone on second hand. Apart from that, no point buying brand new. That's because if you're planning to get into FPV, like me, which I'm planning to get into FPV, I'm pretty sure it's good to buy second hand, get a skill, and then build a proper quad. Anyway, that's the place I've been flying. It's pretty cool. Actually, I quite enjoyed it. I got one more battery I can fly. I'll think about that if my wife will let me. If not, excuse me, will be time to go to the new location. So thanks for watching this video. Any questions, ask in the comments, I will reply back to you, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.